girl. What are you thinking about? You look confused.
Yeah, I'm just thinking a lot.
Thinking about what?
I've been considering continue my study in English literature at Universitas Erlangga,
Okay.
but I'm still unsure about it.
Okay. So you wanna go with me? I will explain about humanity faculty here.
Wow, it's cool. My
Okay.
pleasure.
Okay.
So what is that?
Oh, okay. So here's our class, and so many more class here. We learn everything. We study everything, like many subject, linguistic, literature, and many more subject. We learn here. We study here and in other class too.
Wow, so many chairs in
Yes.
table in here.
And it's so spacious. Like we study in comfort. We got AC there, air conditioner. We got TV too.
It's cool.
And yes, we got whiteboard and we
computer too?
yes computer for lecture and for our presentation we got LCD too.
Oh, it's cool.
Yes, so spacious here.
Wow, yeah. So many things.
So we got reading room here. It's called ruang baca.
Wow, so what's the function of this room?
Okay, ruang baca or reading room here is kind of similar with library, but not as wide as the library Airlangga University one. Here, they provide many chair and many computer, so if the student wanna do homework or do assignment or submit or anything they wanna do maybe just waiting for next class they can do here. And they provide a printer too, so if the student want to print the journal or anything with paper they can do here.
Oh, it's cool.
Yes, and so comfort here.
Yeah.
But here in reading room, we still must obey the rules. Like we must be quiet, be silent, and we not allowed to bring food and drink or beverage like that.
And also, we can play the game. So
Yes. Even they provide a computer, we still not allowed to playing game because it's reading room, not playing game room
yeah,
like that. And so many rules that we must obey it.
Okay, thank you. So can you explain about the program in English literature?
Okay, for those questions, I think I will not explain and answer about that
Yeah.
because I had my friends who I think had much information about that. So I think you will glad to meet him.
Okay, I'm so excited to meet with your friend.
Okay.
My name is Ini Rahman. Currently, I'm a student at University of Erlangga in English Literature major, and currently I'm on 5th semester. I had some of supportive friends. I joined many events, and I like my lecturers also give you complete example of what should you do as a student in this major. I think the environment is pretty healthy. I think it's not toxic, pretty healthy. For academic programs, I think it's offering you so much thing that you can enjoy.
Could you give me an example?
Scholarship, some kind of scholarship, and so much more. And currently, I'm at student council. Yeah, student council on English department. Yeah.
Which of the division?
Sport and arts.
Sport and arts.
Yeah.
And what the kind of the programs?
I'm the head of basketball programs.
Basketball.
Yeah. It's fun, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. That's it.
There is like every exercise.
Yeah, actually, once a month, but it's over right now because we already being a champion of the Cup, so it's over. The monthly practice,
Yeah.
it's over. The achievement, it's pretty stacked. Some concrete example is like it's improve your public speaking. I think, yeah, it's quite improving since I was in high school. And if I look the difference between me back then and now, it's quite improving. I think, yeah. So much improvement in my two years in this campus. I feel a lot of improvement. Some of you can choose linguistics, literature, and cultural studies. I choose cultural studies.
Why?
Why? Because I think it's simple, even though it's interdisciplinary, but I think it suits me perfectly. Then I should study linguistics. It's quite complicated than the cultural studies. So I think cultural studies it suits me well. So that's why I choose cultural studies.
So it's because they're more simple than any majors, or you have like purpose to your career, or it's related or not?
It's not quite related with my career, but with my daily life, I think.
Okay.
What I do on a daily basis, it could implement it to the cultural studies.
An overview of our English department academic visit to the U.S. Consulate General. This visit is part of our experiential learning program to improve our English communication and diplomacy skills.
Then what do we do now?
Oh, I think I will bring you to my lecturer that maybe he will answer all of your question about
Okay.
maybe you questioning about how we as English literature student survive after we graduate, after graduate, and maybe some question about are or do English literature is still relevant in here era.
Yeah, okay, let's do it.
Okay, and so many more that
Okay.
many more questions.
It depends on what you are trying to achieve in your life. In my opinion, since I am, of course, I'm, what is it? I care about. My focus is on the humanities. Yeah, of course, seeking and giving meaning to our humanity only can be achieved through something that related to art, humanity and of humanities, and including humanities, literature.
Okay, so it means if the human still exists,
Yep.
the English literature is still relevant because
I'm not talking
it's
about
the way
English
of
literature per se, but
Okay.
literature or everything that related
to literature.
to art, which is becoming part of human creation. Yeah, I think it will be still.
Relevant.
Thank you for explaining me, but a lot of information about this major, and I'm so glad to meet you in here.
Okay, I'm glad to meet you too. So I hope you will continue your study here in Humanity Faculty in Airlangga University. And I'm glad to share many information to you too.
Yeah, thank you about it.
Okay, so see you later ya.
Yeah, goodbye,
Bye
thank
bye. Bye bye.